Start now.
I'm Adriana from Mercy Secondary School and I'm starting at grade 7. Today I'm going to show an experiment to prove that air is present in the soil.
Air is present in the soil. Okay.
For this experiment, I need a glass of water and a piece of dry hard soil. And now then I will pour the water after the steam and then I slowly dip the piece of dry hard soil into the water. Now let's see what as we can see the bubbles are as we can see the bubbles are coming out from the soil. That means that air is escaping from inside the soil. That means that air escaping means that the air that was trapped inside the soil is being pushed out by the water, and you can see the bubbles. This experiment also proves that soil is not fully a solid. It contains a small pieces called pores, and these pores are filled with air. When we add salt to water, the air is being pushed out by the water, and that's why we see bubbles. This experiment, the conclusion from the experiment is that this simple experiment proves that air is present in the soil. And when we pour soil into the water, when we pour water into the soil, the air is being pushed by the water, and this air is important for plants and the tiny organisms living on the ground. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Now start.
Hi everyone, my name is Asani Gautam and I study in Sri Amriti Secondary School. I study in grade 7. Today I am going to present water cycle. First of all, water is collected at the sea and it evaporates, and with the help of sun's energy, so it became cloud, and if there is when the cloud store more water in the cloud, and it is called on the earth as water, and trees absorb necessary water, and other water are collected at the sea again, and this is how the process become, and it is called water cycle.
By mixing vinegar and baking soda in it. First I put 2 tablespoons of vinegar on this water. Then I am going After I put some vinegar and baking soda on it, it should have exploded, but due to some problems it didn't. But I made this to clear my curiosity on how some chemical reactions work. In the book first I made the base of the rocket and designed it. Then I put some sugar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar and some baking soda. Then after I turned it should have light, but due to the problems,
Sunlight falls into the earth and the moon covered with the earth, Saturn and the
When the earth comes in between the sun and moon, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. And this is known as lunar eclipse, right? Okay.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Ivani Hamal from grade 7. I am studying at Amarsi Secondary School, and today I have made a hand using cardboard, straws and some zip. And firstly I have got the cardboard into my hand pieces, and I have used the straw and add some sugar and some liquid. And I give it for like this.
That means we are going to saw nervous system, neurons or what?
No, I have just made
Our hands are pulled by the knobs, right? Like is the okay. This much?
I use battery and some switch and motor and propeller and some pieces of pipe. And
What is-
this our room and
Yes.
it was model of vacuum.
Yeah, it is vacuum cleaner.
Yes.
Okay.
It is on. It is using of dust collecting.
Yes, it is used. Only this much? What is that?
Sorry, I'm trying to
This part.
Yes. To pull light particles.
Big particle was in the
Okay. Can you demonstrate? तानेर देखाउ त त्यहाँको ल ल ओके ओके
cardboard, and then I used glitter paper to make soil, and I made the white paper to make the flower, and glitter paper to make sun, and I used color paper to make a scenery scene. I made color paper glass.
This shows the process of photosynthesis, right? What is photosynthesis? Can you explain? Food making process of the green plants by using sunlight, water and minerals.
Electric circuit. Where circuit will be closed.
And the bulb, Yes, and the bulb will glow. Yes. Okay, good.
I made class 7. I made this science project. This process helps us to find there is oxygen or not. First with then class then water comes off and then water I study in class 7B. I'm from Ammasin Secondary School. For my science project, I have made this atomic structure of silicon. The blue balls represents the neutron in the silicon, and this yellow ball represents the nucleus of silicon. I have also written that there are 14 protons in silicon, 14 electrons, and 14 neutrons. The atomic weight of silicon is 28, and the valency of silicon is 4.
Yes. Where are the electrons present?
The electrons are present in the orbit of the silicon.
Are the number of electrons are same in each orbit?
No, in the first orbit there are only 2 electrons, and in the second orbit there are 8 electrons, and in the fourth orbit there are only 4 electrons.
What is the rule by which the number of electrons are distributed in each orbit?
In first orbit, the number of electrons are 2, and in second orbit, it is satisfied by 8, and in third orbit also, it can be satisfied by 8 electrons.
Okay, thank you.
Will purify using this. The big dust particles will purify by using big stone and small stone. Then the invisible particles will purify by using sand and cotton. Then the water will purify.
Class 7B, I study Siamosin Secondary School. Today, I have made a science project. The science project is water purifier. It is work. First, we have to put dirty water.
Yes.
Wall Korea.
Instead of paper, you should use. Okay. By the process of rarefaction and compression, sound travels from one side to the with the help of medium. Okay. It is physical measurement. It is used to measure what? What can be measured by using this beam balance? What is measured by using this device? Hmm?
My name is Gaurav Lode and I am from class 7B. Let's go.
Ah,
Please vote by reflection on light.
good. There are two mirrors, parallel to each other on the each corner, right? Okay. How does it works? Only this much? Okay. Introduce yourself and describe about your project.
My name is Salman Aziz and I am from class 7B and this is telescope.
Hmm.
I made it by using cardboard and tape and mirror.
How does it works?
Works
Multiple reflections of light. Describe first. Finished?